Hey, how's it guys? Welcome back to another episode of On Fire Fishing Hawaii. On this episode, we are going fishing with the KEO boys in Kaneohe Bay for Papio. But more importantly, this episode means really a lot to me because one of our brothers is actually going through a really hard time. So we decided to get together and cheer him up and be that support that he needs. Thank you again for Brian Roberts for setting this up, that we could all get together and fish and support each other. But before we get to the action, let's, if you can do me a favor and please like and subscribe because we're right at that 1,000 mark. So I have a feeling that we can break it this week. So please like and subscribe and let's break that 1,000 mark. And all right, let's get to the action. Let's go. Holo holo.
All right. There we go. Can put you guys on the next show.
No, that's something. I saw him hit. Yeah, there you go. There you go, Chris. I don't know what that is, but you got something. Something small. I seen him hit though.
Something we're gonna eat. Yeah, boy.
Chee! There you go, Chris. Is it? No, it looks like a lie. Looks like a lie. Oh! Yeah, nice. Alright, lift it up. Yeah, we'll eat it. Here we go. Nah, it's a lie.
And you gotta watch out for lies because they have actually these two little spikes on the bottom. Hey, like feel.
Hold the pole! Sure. Alright.
Don't eat that shit. Don't throw it back.
There we go. Alright, now we go right here. We'll catch, I guarantee.
Yeah. On fire fishing. On
Look at him, good eyes, man. I think you're dragging something again. We're good at dragging.
Chris, we bought this big ass boat.
Hilarious, bro.
Guys, let's move our shit.
Oh, Mills.
Oh, the other one. Go ahead. Go.
Yeah, take in the drag. Take in the drag and reel it in.
The top one, right?
Yeah. Dig it out.
Oh, this is big, bro.
Yeah. You got something. Oh, fuck. You got something big.
Size is eating. Go eat that fucker. Bring
Get off. You want to go?
Oh shit, I feel so bad. I'm gonna catch Sean.
No, you're good.
Fuck it, I'll eat him. Give me that fucker. I'll eat him tonight. My kids will love it. Fuck it.
Open the bill for like 50 seconds. Perfect. Nice, brother. Get it, dog. Hey, get it. Get it, girl.
Another one, come on.
Come on, get one more. Oh, did you tangle? No, good? Oh, nice. What's that? Lie. Lie, baby. Alright. Pull some line out. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, hold still, bitch.
Nice.
Okay, and the rig we're using today or on the trip was just any pole, any reel for this situation. Water bubble. I like to use the tough bubbles. Going to your little swivel. This is about 4 to 6 feet of 15-pound test. And this is the way I set it up. It's just basically a little MZ hook. You see it? Hooked to the head of the grub. And this is a disco. Disco grub by Akuai Lures. Pretty cool stuff. It caught a lot of fish, so can't complain. So, alright, hope this helps you guys catch a lot of fish out there. Alright.
We should just run bubbles. Yeah, Ryan.
We're staying on here forever.
This is your keeper. Here you go.
Come here, motherfucker.
Is it coming?
I'm gonna catch you.
What is it?
Come here, bitch. I got you.
Nice.
Come here, fish.
Bring it this size. Oh, that's not size. Okay, that's more of a keeper size. Yeah, there you go, Ryan. Yeah! Okay, that's a keeper. There you go, Ryan. Shit. Hey, there it is. Yeah! That's way better. Nice. Yeah, doggy. And Chris. Oh, hey, we're doing guys. One big one, big one. See him. One big one hit.
Oh, go!
Come at him. Take in the dragon and reel it. You got it. Go. Right. Yeah. Fight it. Oh, that's a bigger one. There we go. You're on. M, tip up. Give you a tip up. And then fight it. Just crank it. Shit! There we go, guys. We have KEO boys, baby. KEO boys. Oh. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, bring it in. All right, kid, that's a nice one. Swing it in. Come on, swing it in. Oh, no, swing it in. And swing it in. There you go. Drop it. Holy shit, there you guys go. Hey, now we on fire, guys. Hey. Chee! Do it.
Hey, get back to work, go.
Nice.
Come on.
Oh man, that was a super packed with action, fun-filled fishing trip. But we ended up at the sandbar just to relax and unwind. And gotta say it was a good day. Hey, thank you guys for watching another episode of On Fire Fishing Hawaii. Again, a special thanks go out to Ryan Roberts and Aqua Lures for the lures, for the grubs that we used in the video. And again, make sure that you guys take care of each other. So take care of yourself, take care of others. And the time that we spend fishing is actually more than just the time we spend fishing. It's actually the bonds that we make and the friends that we make. So get out there and do some fishing. And as always, fish safe and fish with aloha. Catch you guys on the next one.